So this is the first day with the children. So yeah, this is the first day back in a long time with a full class, and I'm very, very excited. So lots of things are happening, lots of changes have been put in place, but I think more than anything, I'm really excited just to get in with the children, get to know the children, and just to have a really nice time. So there's lots of things going on today. I never know where to look. I'm filming on my phone at the moment, but there's a little camera there. So if you don't know who I am, I make a range of teaching and traveling videos. This is going to be like a teaching vlog. It's going to be a very busy day. Now, we're only allowed to get in at 7 o'clock. The kids come in at 7:30, so it's a bit risky even filming. But yeah, there's lots of different changes in place. The children are going to just come straight up to my classroom rather than me going out and greeting them and seeing parents, to avoid mingling and things like that due to everything that's happening in the world at the moment. And there's a range of different things going on in school at the moment. So you'll see that the children have their own places, and that's very different. And in addition, the children have their own work. I sorted that out last night. So you'll see they have their own, this is one child's work. Inside here, you'll see lots of different things. So we've got a cloud. We're going to do like a cloud activity. A label. They're going to decorate so that they know where the place is. This is going to be their first activity. And then there's little things like you don't often think about the structure of break times, but because the children aren't allowed to just go out to break because they're going to be mingling with the whole school and those sorts of things, we've got to be socially distant. Had to think about what to do for break times and lunch times, so we created a range of activities to sort that out too. So got some colouring, there's a word search here, and I guess if you guys have any ideas for break times, then yeah, feel free to drop them into the comments. Now, I'm hoping at the end of the day to be able to film what the day's been like. I'm not going to be filming throughout the day. It's going to be far too busy, and I'm trying to get to know the kids rather than just YouTubing and things like that. So yeah, they all have their own boxes. As you can see, the layout is different. When I'm teaching, I think I can remove this and have this on instead, although flappy bits, so that's a bit different. And yeah, it's just going to be a very different day. I have to wear this at all times, although it's not dropping down at the moment, so that's a positive. And yeah, I've got a lot of things to do, so hopefully I can speak to you at the end of the day and tell you how the first day back has been. It's weird, today is the first day with the children, but it's also the last day of the working week, just due to a few things that have happened throughout the week and COVID tests and things like that. So this is, yeah, first day with the kids, but also the last day of the working week, so it's actually the weekend tomorrow, so that's quite nice too. Yeah. Right, I'll speak to you a little bit later on, and hopefully this day is going to be super awesome and very busy. So, end of the day, and what a day it has been. It's been an absolutely fantastic day, to be fair. It's been both quick and slow at the same time. This mask has been a pain. One, because it's wonky all the time, but number two, because it broke halfway through the day, so I did some weird fixing job. So the children, yeah, it was good to have a range of different activities available for the children to access, because the children enjoyed it. It was good for me to be able to go and get around the class. I've been given a face visor. Let me get that. So yeah, face visor, so that's this one here. I'll probably customize it at some point when I actually get time. And the whole idea is when I'm teaching the class at the front and they're able to sort of see me and I'm away from the children, then I can pull that down, put that on. And the reason that's important is so they can actually see my face. I think children learn a lot by facial expressions. I find when I'm cracking out jokes, I learn a lot, I teach a lot through jokes and things like that. So when I'm cracking out jokes and I'm unable to smile, the children don't actually realise I'm joking around. So it's quite nice to have this. I have to keep this on regardless if I'm going around the class and things like that. Children completed some really good activities today, covering names, but you can see Cloud has been completed. That was good. The children took quite a long time to do that. They also took quite a long time to do their little labels for their places. But I think we were about coloured out, to be fair. I've spent a bit of time to go around the classroom and sort of hand everyone one of these for next week. Saw a really cool YouTube video basically. And yeah, so it's been quite busy. And I tried to show you the children's places earlier on. I suppose I can clip that in now. So the children also have their own little boxes for their different bits and pieces. I think I might get them to decorate these labels at some point too. I'm thinking of having a table label and just covering it with sticky back plastic so that they have their own place, but they're not really allowed to switch around either. So they sort of have to stay in their own place for the duration of the day, other than for things like PE. So you can see that the children have their own couple of drawers, one for books, one for their own personal things. So it's just been a weird, busy sort of day, and it's definitely tiring. I'd usually have some free time today, and I've just not. This mask, I'll need a new one of those. So yeah, busy day, enjoyable day, children have enjoyed it, and I've got to know quite a few of the children as well. This is a weird vlog. I'm going to end the video here probably, but I just wanted to talk to you about my first day. I think it's important to share these key parts of my teaching career. This is one of them, going back to school after the children haven't been in school for 3 months. The children were fantastic. They were chatting to one another, although they were definitely a little bit quieter. I don't know what that's about. Maybe they've struggled socially before because they've been inside, or maybe it's just because they are a new class. I'm hoping it's the latter rather than the former. And yeah, hopefully you've found this video useful in some way. Probably not, but this is a vlog for me, so that when I'm old and grey I can look back and be like, oh yeah, remember that weird time when, yeah. If you've got any questions or any ideas for different activities that teachers can do, please drop them down in the comments. It's really good for the teaching community to be quite collaborative at the moment. And yeah, I've got so many exciting things I want to share with you. That's been amazing, that board. And I look forward to showing you that in another video. But until the next time, guys, make sure you like and subscribe and all those different bits and pieces. But I'm out.